Click on the Payments tab to make a credit card payment, a loan payment, a mortgage payment, or to access Bill Pay, the online bill payment system. To make a credit card payment, click Make a Credit Card Payment. Choose the account the funds are coming from, and choose your credit card account. Enter in the amount of the payment, and click Continue. You have the option to make a one-time payment, a one-time in the future payment, or a recurring payment. Click the Payments tab to navigate back to the Payments home screen. On the navy blue side menu, you can choose Express Pay to make a one-time same-day loan payment. Note, the option for Express Pay is only to be used to make a payment to a Christian Financial Credit Union loan from an external account not held at Christian Financial Credit Union. The payment options include Visa Debit, MasterCard Credit or Debit, or a checking account and routing number from the other financial institution. To pay via Express Pay, you will need your loan number and be the primary or joint owner of the loan. Loan numbers can be found on your monthly e-statement. Note that there is a $10 fee per loan payment made through Express Pay. Also, Christian Financial Visa credit cards are excluded from Express Pay. Payments must be scheduled before 5 p.m. to be paid same day. To get started using Express Pay, click on Express Pay and follow the simple steps to get registered.